Hi, I'm Stephen Webster. I'd like to welcome you to 15 Hope Street in Beechboro. If you're tired of fighting the hordes of people to buy a home that somebody else has renovated, then look no further. All you have to do is roll up your sleeves and do your finishing touches to this solid brick and tile home with a huge backyard. That'll either have a granny flat or the big shed for the cars. Plus, we've got the bonus of 6 metre side access where you can park the caravans, cars or boats. So come on in and enjoy the tour. Hi, welcome back. Hope you've enjoyed your tour of 15 Hope Street in Beechboro. As you can see, the Aussie dream of a big backyard is still available. Plus, as you can see, there's plenty of room for the cars or the caravans. For more details about the property, please call my mobile. And as you know, the next viewing time is on the Burke's website.